All right, my friend, so I'm going to quickly take you back to our scheduling page link. This is going to be an important area for everyone, for you to find your links and be able to send them or be able to use them in any of your marketing. And so like I was explaining earlier, now we have options. So now we can look at the general scheduling page. If you want to just show everything that you offer, we can look at that. Let's go ahead and take us there and see what that looks like. You can now see that you have your one-on-one services presented there, and then you have your group events. Again, this is your general scheduling page that shows everything. You can also start to separate that. Let's say I only want to send a link for the one-on-one aromatherapy session for 1 hour. Now only people will only be able to see that right there. So being very specific and being very specific with how it is that you're utilizing these links will make a very big impact in people scheduling with you and the effectiveness of that. So then if we look at over here into let's just go into our group events. These are the individual ones. Let's look at just only group events. All right, so now I'm only wanting people to see what events I am offering. That is what that will do right there if you select the group events link. Okay, so again, use your links very specifically in how you're showing them, how you're displaying them, to avoid any sort of confusion or people browsing and then not completing their purchase.